guys, it's Shalini. Welcome back. I wish you all happy Onam. So today's video is going to be this Onam makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's begin. I've already done my skincare, which is very important to make your makeup properly sit on your skin. Next up, I'm using orange color corrector by LA Girl and I'm applying that under my eyes and around my lips, and I'm going to be blending it with the help of my ring finger. To conceal and color correct under my eyes, I'm using Maybelline Age Divine Concealer in the shade Caramel, and I'm applying that under my eyes and also a little bit on my chin. And for foundation today, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Liquid Foundation in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. So I'm going to dot this foundation all over my face first to get maximum coverage, and also on my nose, on my neck, and then using my foundation brush by Sani, I'm going to blend this product, and you guys can see that it just blends seamlessly. And because of the color correction which I did, the foundation matches me perfectly and there is no gray or white cast around my lips and under my eyes. For my brows today, I'm using Faces Canada Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I'm using the spoolie side first to comb through my eyebrows, and then using the pencil side, I'm going to fill up the sparse areas, mostly focusing the product on the tip of my eyebrows, that is the arc of my eyebrows, and then going again with the spoolie side to blend the product into my eyebrows so that there won't be any harsh lines. Now using Nykaa Oh My Brow Eyebrow Mascara, I'm going to set my eyebrows in place, specifically in the upward direction, and now this will be intact, it won't move at all. Ready for the eyes, I'm going to use Nykaa Eyes On Me Beach Side Peach Eyeshadow Palette. Using the very first shade, which has a satin finish and it's a cream color, I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. This is going to set the foundation on the place. Now using Faces Canada Kajal Pencil in the shade Black, I'm going to draw a very thick line very close to my lash line, and also going to tight line my upper waterline with the help of this kajal. And then using a small precise angular brush, I'm going to quickly start blending the edge of the kajal line that we applied. You can use any kajal of your choice. You want to make sure that you are blending the kajal before it sets. Now using a different blending brush and picking this rusty orange color from the palette, I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid, setting the edges of the kajal, and also going to apply this product on my crease and outer half of my eyelid, creating a very faded V shape there. Now using that same Faces Canada Kajal, I'm going to tightline the lower waterline, and using that angular brush again, I'm going to smudge this product on my lower lash line. You want to use very minimum amount of product क्योंकि आप जब smudge करोगे तो वो वैसे भी अच्छे से spread हो जाएगा, and you don't want to use like too much product, otherwise you can look like a panda and you don't want that. Now to smoke out the kajal furthermore and also to set the kajal on the lower lash line, I'm going to use this dark brown color from the palette in that angular brush again and gonna smoke out the lower lash line furthermore. इससे क्या होगा कि kajal हमारा bleed नहीं होगा and it looks so beautiful. You guys can see that. Now picking this cream color from the palette, remember it has a satin finish. I'm going to apply that on the center of my eyelid to highlight the center of my eyelid, and you guys can see that it just instantly lifts up my eyes. It looks so beautiful. My eyes are looking so opened right now, and also the smoked out effect of the kajal is also popping on my eyes. Using Makeup Revolution makeup setting spray, I'm going to wet my pencil brush and picking this Molten Gold highlighter by Maybelline New York, I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line, on the 1/3 area of the lower lash line, and also going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Now using this product again on my ring finger, I'm going to very lightly dab it all over my eyelid. I just wanted a hint of sparkle on my eyes. And then using a clean fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend up the edges on my crease area so that there won't be any harsh lines. And one last time, I'm going to pick this rusty orange color in this angular brush again and going to apply this on the edges of the lower lash line. I did this to match the lower lash line color with the crease color of mine. Using my powder brush, I'm trying to dust away any fallouts if there was any. And now I'm going to highlight the under eye area using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium 25. So you know the drill, I applied this on the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes and also on my T-zone area. बहुत ही कम product मैंने use किया था. And then using my ring finger, I'm going to blend everything. You want to make sure your fingers are clean, okay? Now using Makeup Revolution Banana Powder in a flat foundation brush, I'm going to set the under eye area and also my T-zone area. And for mascara, I'm using Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara on my upper eyelashes and also on my lower lashes. इसके बाद I will be using falsies, but you can definitely skip falsies if you want to. Falsies that I used is by Renee False Eyelashes Ash, the fairy one. And the glue that I used to apply this falsies are by PAC Cosmetics. And a quick tip, after applying the falsies, you want to press your false eyelashes with your actual eyelashes so that it will look natural even though this is falsies and they are looking false eyelashes like, but you know what I mean. And now I'm going to slightly bronze slash contour my face today. For that, I'm using this Nykaa contour and highlighter palette. And picking this contour color in my Proate brush, I'm going to bronze up my cheekbones and also my forehead. Then using a different small blending brush, this is by Color Bar, I'm going to contour my nose. So I'm creating a parallel lines from the inner corner of my eyes to the tip of my nose, and then using my finger I'm going to blend up the harsh line of this contour. And for blush today I'm going to use a peachy nude color again. I'm going to match up my lipstick with my blush, so I'm using this blush today and I'm going to bronze up my face with the help of this blush. You guys can see that what I'm talking about. And lastly, I also applied this blush on my nose a bit. For highlighter, I'm again using Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter and I'm going to apply that on my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and then using my small pencil brush, I'm going to highlight my brow bones. For lipstick today, I'm going to use Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Lipstick in the shade Made Easy. And lastly, I'm going to spray a few pumps of makeup setting spray all over my face to set my makeup on place. And I also applied Maroon Bindi to finish up the look. So this was my Onam makeup tutorial. You can definitely wear this look for different festivals and occasions. This look was slightly on the glam side, but I've done so many easy to do makeup looks on my channel. I will link those in the description box below if you guys are interested. On that note, I'm gonna go now. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you really like this tutorial and dislike this if you did not. Share this video with your friends and family. Comment in this video and I will see you all next time with brand new content for this channel. Bye bye guys. Take care.